Welcome back, kASPA traders, lovers, investors. Today, obviously, we're going to talk about kASPA, fake out, things you need to be aware of, thing we're watching, thing we're thinking. Make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. By the way, this is a disclaimer. This is only entertainment video. We're not telling you what to do with your money, what to buy and sell, nothing. We don't tell you nothing. We're just telling you what we think might happen. And if there are any concerns, we're going to let you know. Just like we warned you of bullish breakouts on kASPA. Multiple times through the last year and a half. We're now warning you from a possible fake out. Okay, so kASPA, look, this was a breakout that failed. Okay, you had this triangle, you had this uptrend going up. Okay, kASPA was making higher lows and higher highs, very, very bullish behavior. The most bullish coin in crypto pretty much since it was born, and definitely from May 2024. That was the most bullish coin, and it actually made a new high. This is a very, very bullish behavior. But then Bitcoin pulled the rug. They pulled the rug on the S&P. They pulled the rug on Bitcoin. They just pulled the rug. So kASPA came back down and made a fake out. Now, when a coin, it doesn't matter which coin, when a coin, an asset, whatever it is that has a chart versus the US dollar, or whatever you're watching, and it's breaking out, and then it's coming back down after multiple attempts to break the same resistance, and it's making a fake out, a head fake. This is called head fake. This is dangerous. Okay, this is dangerous. We're here to tell you to be careful. That's it. Now, what will make me be bullish again? I want to see kASPA coming back up above this trend line and making new high and closing above this trend line and holding above the 20s for a couple of weeks, and then I'm gonna be bullish again. At the moment, you just broke support, and I'm here to warn you for the concerns we have on kASPA. Okay, so first of all, first concern was the fake out. You just had a fake out here, very, very big concern. Let's look on the divergence here on the RSI. You can see look at the divergence on the RSI on the weekly chart. You have a very nasty divergence on the weekly chart. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower. But if you look at from here, you had two lower highs here on a higher high fake out. Okay, so that's the first another concern. Okay, the RSI, the momentum is rolling over on the big picture. Okay, now let's zoom in here. This is the daily chart. Okay, you broke the uptrend, man. Okay, you had an uptrend here from May 2024, and it actually goes back way lower. Okay, the uptrend goes back from here, from pretty much you can draw it from here. Okay, you didn't broke that one. Okay, that was a test. Okay, once you break that one, this is a very major concern. Okay, you can still listen. This can still just be a dip buy, and everybody that tells you to buy the dip will come up winners and yay and champagne and margaritas and woohoo. But you need to be careful. That's what we're saying. You need to be careful here, because if you buy the dip, are you taking profits on the bounce, or are you just gonna buy the dip and hold? You need to ask yourself, what's your strategy? Okay, now look, this is another concern. You broke below the trend line. As long as it's closing below this trend line is now resistance. That's what the chart's saying. Now look, you broke below the 50. Let's see if KAS can come back up above the 50. That will be the first sign of strength of a possible recovery. You want to see KAS coming back up above the 172, close daily candles above 172 and hold it, and keep coming up above this uptrend and holding the uptrend and making the new highs. Okay, at the moment, the 50-day MA, once you lost it, it's now resistance. Okay, so you want to recover from it. Okay, you want to come up and regain control on the 50-day. Now you can see this dump yesterday. That was not a regular dump, man. That was on a daily move of 26%. That was a very big dump, man. That was, I don't know if it's the biggest dump, man. It was the biggest dump on kASPA for the last, for the year for sure. Through all 2024, it was the biggest dump on kASPA, and maybe even the biggest daily dump on kASPA ever on the MACD chart. Man, let's look on this one here. Oh, this one was bigger, but that was, you know, November 2022, you know, it was a small shit coin, you know. Now it's like 5 billion market cap. So, but anyway, this is concerning. Okay, when you get these big dumps, it's concerning. On high volume, yeah. Now look, you're probably gonna get a bounce, man. You're probably gonna get a bounce. But again, you just had a fake out, and you lost this critical level of support and resistance. Pretty much, you lost this critical level, and now we are expecting, the way we read charts, it's more probable that you're going to make a lower high, okay, or on the 50-day, or over here, or maybe even you're gonna make a higher high, but it's very likely to make to come back down after this move down. Now again, remember, this is not, you know, kASPA is not the only one, okay? Everything is in a risk. Now Bitcoin broke below the 200, okay? When you trade crypto, you gotta watch the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin is going to get a death cross, okay? This is bearish. It's probably gonna put Bitcoin, again, as long as it's below the 50-day and the 200, it's probably gonna move Bitcoin into a little bearish trend, okay, for a little while. It can be a couple of weeks, it can be even a little bit longer. You don't know. So once Bitcoin is going bearish, kASPA will go bearish as well. It's very, very unlikely that kASPA will go bazooka on a bearish Bitcoin, like a downtrend in Bitcoin. Okay, so man, we don't tell you what to do. Do whatever you want. You know, it's very good when you watch crypto, when you watch YouTube, whatever. You follow these YouTubers. Most of them will tell you buy the dip, but most of them are very, very bullish. You want to have two opinions. Always you have the bearish opinion and the bullish opinion, you know, because everybody will tell you to buy the dip, you know. We don't tell you nothing. We just tell you there are many concerns here, many concerns, and the more likely scenario that kASPA is gonna go now on a little downtrend because you broke the uptrend. What happened when you break the uptrend? You go on a downtrend. That's it, man. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and relax. You know, chill. You know, don't be caught up in the emotion. It's very, very hard, obviously, but try not to be caught up in the emotion. Try to make rational decisions. If you want to sell, if you want to buy, what's your plan? If you buy the dip, are you going to take profits on the bounce? Are you going to sell short? Where you put your stops? You know, make rational decision in this market if you do. And obviously, if you're not a trader, the best thing to do when you're an investor, okay, and you bought the dip, man, just chill. Just chill and hold, you know, just buy a little bit more, and wait for the storm to be over. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful day. Cheers.